Here I have HTC U12 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So firstly you should go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Recorder. So by tapping on it once you can start recording. So as you can see, when you tap on it, it starts immediately. So by holding down your finger on this button, you can also access some of its settings, or you actually can't. So when you just tap on it, here you can start it, and that's it, I guess. You can pause the recording, then play it again, and when you're done recording, tap on the red button, and after that recording will be saved to the gallery, to photos, I mean, to the special folder like the screen record section. Audio quality is the worst, I should admit. I can barely recognize my voice. But as you can see, image moves, something like that. You can also share, edit, delete the recording from here, and also perform other actions like these ones. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.